Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Muhammad Shoaib Ali from Shine PU College, Bidar. First of all, I thanks to my Lord who has given me a good opportunity to came here in a Quran campus. And I enjoyed a lot, and I learned most important things of the Quran, in how the importance of Quran is in our life in Islam. The management was given us good facilities of rooms and foods and other activities like playing and etc. more. So I request to all of them here, they all came to here and learn how the Quran was important for us and our life when hereafter, and how that after the Quran was useful for us after our life in against enemies of shaitan. And we have to learn more and more of Quran. I thanks to all and his management that I have learned most of things in Quran campus.